Task 75, checking a bank statement. Rosa Gonzalez has a checking account in her local bank. Every month, her bank sends her a bank statement. This is a record of all the money that went into and out of her account that month. Here's Rosa's bank statement for the month of October. She received it on November 8th. Rosa now has to compare the bank figures with the figures in her checkbook. The exercises show you how she does it. Number 1. The closing balance is what the bank statement says Rosa has in her account at the end of the month. How much is the closing balance on Rosa's statement? Number 2. A deposit is money that goes into a bank account. Rosa made 2 deposits after the bank figures out her statement. On 10/31, she deposited $190, and on 11/7, she deposited $210. What is the total amount of these 2 deposits? Number 3, Rosa also wrote 2 checks that the bank hasn't received yet, so they're not on her statement either. One was $119 and the other was $100.60. What was the total amount of these 2 checks? Number 4, on the next page. Bring Rosa's bank statement up to date for her. Write the amount of the closing balance on the statement, question number 1, on the line. Write the total of the 2 deposits from question number 2 on the next line. Now add them up. Now write the total of the new checks on this last line. Your answer will be the correct amount Rosa now has in the bank. Notice that it's not the same as the amount on either her check statement or her checkbook. There's one more step. Number 5. The bank charges Rosa an amount called a service charge. Find this amount on the bank statement. How much is it? Number 6. Every time Rosa wrote a check or made a deposit, she kept track of it in her checkbook. At the time she got the bank statement, her checkbook said that she had $542.80 in the bank, but she hasn't yet subtracted the service charge. Now, in her checkbook, Rosa subtracts the service charge, question number 5, from her checkbook balance of $542.80. What is her new checkbook balance? Number 7. Compare the new checkbook balance, question number 6, from your answer to question number 4, the correct amount Rosa has in the bank. If the 2 are the same, everything is okay. If they're different, Rosa has to check her math. You may need help. She may need some help from the bank. Is everything okay? Yes or no?